Emergency preparedness, H5N1, avian flu, pandemic. These are all things we've been hearing about on the news. Should you be scared? No. Should you be concerned? Yes. Right now, there's no human pandemic influenza in our area or anywhere in the world. On the other hand, scientists are concerned that the H5N1 avian flu strain or another virus could someday evolve and spark a pandemic in humans. What can you do? Help prevent the spread of germs by washing your hands as often as possible. Cover your coughs and sneezes with a tissue or your upper sleeve. Stay home when you're ill. Make a plan. Being prepared includes planning for all types of situations, including hurricanes, blizzards, and pandemic flu. And check out the county's pandemic flu webpage. There's up-to-date pandemic information, streaming video from Channel 16, and helpful links about emergency preparedness and pandemic flu planning. Be scared? No. Be prepared? Yes.